Hi everyone and welcome back to the video. Just sort of saying how it's weird how the grass looks a lot brighter green than what it is on camera. Weird. Anyway guys, it's another sunny day. 2 days in a row now. Can we go for the lucky number 3? Or will the number 3 be unlucky for some and bring back that dreaded rain? I hope not, guys. Finally getting back to that glorious Benidorm weather that Benidorm is, of course, famous for. Got 3 like a Disney Marvel sort of shop. Then of course I'll hop summit. You're probably gonna see a lot of one in Benidorm. Just taking a slow walk down Avenue de Mediterraneo. Think now April's finally here. Like April's finally coming up on us. Time for Easter. I think Benidorm will be seeing a lot more nice weather. And we will also be seeing a lot more tourists arriving in Benidorm as well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the next few months go well for Benidorm. Got, of course, the Don Dino toy shop just there. One of the well-known toy shops here in Spain, guys. Oh, they are. Not a bad day today. Yes, they still have a bit of like a little breeze, but that just sort of cools you off from the heat. Of course, you got the advertisement board across the road, which never seems to want to focus when I got it on camera. Always looks that weird when I show it on camera. So everyone's having a great April so far, guys. Of course, April the 1st today, so April Fool's Day. Right.
Finished now, mate.
Yeah, finished now, but Of course, April Fool's Day was up until 12 o'clock. So, yeah, guys, comment down below if anyone has pranked you yet today for April Fool's. Seems rather quite busy down Avenida Mediterraneo today, actually. Quite a few people out, which is great to see, of course, guys. It is always good to see people out and about just enjoying life. Got some nice souvenirs over the road. Good souvenir shop here in Benidorm, guys. And as well, the back of the Sol Costa Blanca. That's a beautiful hotel from what I've been told. Anyway, further along Avenida Mediterraneo, you do have a few more hotels. So, of course, the first one is a Medplaya Hotel Aegea Springs. Being part of the Medplaya group of hotels, I imagine it will be a very great hotel, family friendly, great food, great entertainment. Being told to cross over, apparently. Gonna pause your data and I'll cross over. So yeah, that's it. Aegea Springs, a nice little diner type cafe at the front. Looks a rather beautiful hotel. Let me know if you stayed there, what you think of it. Then of course the last hotel is on the end of Avenida Mediterraneo, the Hotel Boy, which will be where I end today's video. So guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and if you like what I'm doing, feel free to make a donation to my PayPal Pay Me. Adios guys.